how to fix Windows cannot find Wi-Fi network in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you are also facing such type of Wi-Fi connection issue in your Windows 10 and Windows 11 system, to fix this issue, the first workaround is run the Windows troubleshooters. Go to Windows settings, troubleshooters, and run the network and internet troubleshoot. Follow on screen instruction to run the network and internet connection troubleshooter in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The second workaround to fix this issue is go to your device manager and update network adapter driver. Expand network adapters and right click on your network adapter driver and choose update driver from the drop down menu. Choose search automatically for drivers and Windows will update your network adapter driver and check whether your Wi-Fi connection error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open run command box and here execute the command ncpa.cpl. It will open your available network connections. Here right click on your network connections and first diagnose. This will diagnose your internet connection issues. If exist, then right click on it and choose properties. Here go to internet protocol version TCP IPv4, select it and choose properties and use the following DNS server address and preferred DNS server should be 888 and alternate DNS server should be 8844 and press OK and check whether your Wi-Fi connection issue is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes and also disable IPv version 6, IPv6, disable this feature. Again, go to your network connection properties, open run command box and again execute ncpa.cpl to open your available internet connection. Right click on your connection, choose properties. Here go to the option configure and here go to advanced tab and look for 802.11d property and choose the value enabled. If you found disabled, enabled it. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to services window, Windows search, type services and open services windows and here check whether internet connection related services is running or disabled mode. These services should be must in enable mode in your services windows. Plug and play, application layer gateway service, remote procedure call RPC, network connections, network location awareness, telephony, remote access connection manager, remote access auto connection manager and Windows Firewall. All these services should be enabled or in running mode in services window. For example, plug and play, this is running. If not running, make enable all such features. Simply right click on it and choose a start. Then services will automatically run in your system and check whether your Wi-Fi connection error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next phases, go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode and in command prompt window execute these two commands one by one followed by enter the IP configuration release and IP configuration renew. Simply type in black windows and press enter. One by one execute this command. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search, type turn Windows feature on or off and open turn Windows feature on or off and here look for all internet or Wi-Fi related features. It should be must enabled. If not, if it is in disabled mode, simply enable it. Internet information service, hostable web port, internet information service, enable all the features Windows